Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the YouTube intro for those our vloggers who would like to create their own intros. So here's how to do. Let me just show you what I have done on my 2018 first 2018 vlog. So here it is. Yep, that's it. Alright, now, so to do this, I'm gonna take you to the Keynote of for those of you who are using a MacBook or any iOS devices. I'm not sure if you can do this on your iPad. If you have the Keynote for those iPad Pro, I think you may have it already. Then that's good. So for Keynote, you have to go here. All right, now click on New Document. All right, so I prefer to have the white one. It's easier to play with. And then but it's always, I mean, it depends on you. So I usually delete this. Yep. And then make sure so that you can see the entire page. All right, so now you have to select for your background. You can always go to Google and then search for an image, but you have to make sure that it is a PNG file. And for some, they always you can also select whenever I type in or search for an image, I used to say image and then PNG 1080, which is the pixel or the size of the image, and then go to images, and then from there you can select whatever images that you want. Alright, that's it. And then let's go back to our Keynote. So I already saved a background. All I need to do is to insert it. So I'll go from there. I go to my downloads and then insert. Yep. Alright. Ooh, I'm not sure if this is gonna fit. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Alright. Hold on. Just so I don't have any extra. Alright. Okay. So now this is my background. I'm ready to add in my channel name, which is A Daniel. Sorry. Oh, it's a vlogs. Alright. And then you can just format it the way you want. We can have white one here, and then choose for your font. So it's up to you, whatever font you prefer to have. So yeah, I want it to be bigger so it's visible and it's readable. All right, that goes there. And then I'll add in my social media. So let me just insert my social media icons or symbols. There you go. I only have Facebook and Instagram. There you go. Let's insert Instagram. So make sure guys that they have the same size. Alright. I think this is too big. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright. Okay. This is a good thing with this i MacBook, or using this Keynote, because it tries to make sure that they are on the same level, or they're aligned all together. Oh, what happened? Did I? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's add in our social media accounts. Let me add a text. So that's gonna be yeah, and then select the font. I'll leave it the same. Just Control C, Command V. Yep, and my Instagram would be Daniel01. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll just make it very, very simple. So, yep, that's my title, and you can always add in whatever you want, like a subscribe link or an icon. So it's up to you. All right, so now let's do and animate this. So to animate, first you start with your background. Go to animate, it's on the upper right corner. So click on animate and then add an effect. So most of you or some of you usually select the special effect, so it's up to you. You can always do the preview before you select it. Alright, you can do that. You can do that. Yep, they're really, really fancy. You can also do that. Let me see. Let me just select the cube. Oh no, I don't like the cube. Let's see, comment. No. Let me just change it. This is the hardest thing, guys. You really have to check for everything. I think I like this shimmer. Let's select that for now. Okay, and then let's go to your channel name. I want it to be, let's see, the blast. Oh, this one. I like this anvil. Something like it will splash out. And then let's go to our social media. Hold on, let me just, oh, I haven't selected it. Sorry about that. Right now, let's go to our social media. That's gonna be, I always wanted to be drop. Okay. Looks fancy. Yep. And drop. Alright. So now it's time to be able to automatically play it out. So to do this, we have to click to build the order. Okay. Alright, so let's start with the background. So the background will start after transition, and then your name will start after the build one. And then your social media will play after the build 2. And then this will go with the build 3. They will be dropping all together. It depends on you, whatever you want. Okay, that's it. So let's do the preview. There you go. All right, now the next one is how is it going to exit or the build out. Okay, to do this, let's start with your channel name. The channel name should go out first. So click on your channel name and then click on the build out and then click on add effect again. So I want this to, let's see if this appears good. No, should be something animated. No, 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 no. I think confetti or this one. Yeah, crumble, crumble or diffuse. Yeah, diffuse is a good one. All right. Let's see this for 2 seconds. And then your social media, the build out will be, let's say, let's do confetti. Yeah. All right. Same as your name, so do all together. Yep. Build out. Yep. All right, and then the last one is your background. Background will be, I always wanted to crumble. Look at that, how cool it is. Yeah. All right. Before I build the order of the build out, let me just go back and check. This one should be at least 1 second. 1 second. And then your name, I'll put in 2 seconds. All right. And then, yep, that's okay. All right. Okay, now let's build the order for your build out. So let me close. Oh no, let's just leave it there. So as you can see, we did this 1 to 6 order a while ago for the build in. For your 7 to 12 will be the build out. How is it going to exit? So this is going to be after build 6. All right. And then this is going to be, which is your social media, will be after build 7, which is your channel name. And then it will go out with your build 8. And then I will put this after build 9. And then your name will be with build 10. And then the background will be after build 11. So now let's preview. Let's watch. All right. Okay, that's it, guys. You're almost done. So in order for you to export this to a video, all you need to do is go to File, click on Export, and then click on QuickTime, and then make sure this is 0. This is all the 0, and then 1080 pixels, and then just click Next, and then you're done. Tutorial, I'll put tutorial 2, and then export. That's pretty much it. It's very, very quick and simple. Simple and easy. So that's it, guys. Let me just wait until it fully converts or create. Alright, now let's go to our desktop. Oh, where did I save it? I think it's in my downloads. Alright, it's here. So as you can see now, that's it. All you need to do is to add in your intro music and you're pretty much done. Let me see how many seconds. Oh, it's actually 12 seconds. You can make it lower than that. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. And if you have any questions or if you have any other suggestions on any tutorials that you wanted to watch or you want me to make for you, create for you, just comment down below and feel free to put in your suggestions, your comments, and your feedback about this tutorial and upcoming tutorials. Thank you very much, and please don't forget, if you haven't liked or subscribed yet on my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and then also you can also click on the bell button to be notified. And thank you for watching A Daniel's vlog and tutorial. Have a great day.